Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add links to your Facebook profile. So here I've already on Facebook and I want to go to my profile. Just click on the three lines icon and then click on see your profile, and then here to add links to your profile, go to edit profile by clicking on this and then scroll down until you find links. So click on add, and in here you can see there are two links that you can add. There are social links and also websites. So if you have like a website like for your business, you can add it in here and type in your address in here, for example thongboss.com. And then for social link you can add social link, and then you can choose the platform that you want to add. So there are so many options of social links that you can add. So there are Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, WhatsApp, Line, and others social links. So for example, I want to add a YouTube. You can username here, you can add your own username or your channel's name on YouTube in here. For example, I want to add my channel thongboss underscore Ian, and then after that you can choose whether you want to make the social link to go public, or anyone or on of Facebook can see it, or only your friends or only you, for example friends. And then after that, if you are done, you can just click on save, and then you can go back, and here the links will be appear in your profile. You can see there is now a link in your profile, thongboss.com. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.